the items we'll be using for today's DIY, and everything will be listed down below for you guys to see where I got everything from. Okay, we are starting with these two 5x5 mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we are just gonna place them on the foam board, and then we're gonna use some hot glue and glue them down. You can use any adhesive that you would like to use. And now we're just going to trace them out with the X-Acto knife. And now I am going to add some bling to our mirrors. And I think I'm going to go with this pattern. I'll be using the hot glue to glue them down. Now I did two of these mirrors for each side of our box. So now I'm going to glue our box together. So I'll have a single mirror on the side, which I'm just using some hot glue to put our box together. And here's the other one. We're going to do the same thing. Use the hot glue and put our box together. So as you see, you just glue the mirror onto the foam board, and it makes it a little easier to make this size a square box. So the same thing again, I'll be using the hot glue and gluing a single mirror for the ends of our box. And there you go. And now I am just going to take some hot glue and put on the inside of our box just to help secure it a little bit more. And now we're going to take another piece of foam board and just put our box on top of it and trace out the bottom of our box. Take the X-Acto knife and cut it out. And now we're going to take the foam board and place it inside of our box, and then we're just going to secure it with some more hot glue going right around. And now we have one of the Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree, a white one. And I'm going to decorate it with some of the Christmas decorations from the Dollar Tree. These ones have a little clip on them, like you see here, so they're easy to just clip onto the Christmas tree. And now we're using these little Christmas balls, and I just stick them through the little pointy part of the Christmas trees. They fit right in. I didn't use the string part. And now I'm adding these little silver beads going around the Christmas tree. And now for the star on my tree, I'm using the snowflake gem from Totally Dazzled. And now for our inside of our box, I have this piece of white foam here, but you can use any one that you have. The green ones from the Dollar Tree, they're all fine. I just have this on hand, so I'm using it. And I'll be using this silver garland, placing inside of the box. And now for our tree, I'm just going to take the legs off. They just come off very easy. We don't need them to place them inside the box. They have to be off. So we're just going to put our tree down into the foam. And here's our finished look, everyone. I think it looks nice. Very easy and cute DIY Christmas tree. I like how it looks using items from the Dollar Tree and Totally Dazzled. And as you can see, I have my Totally Dazzled gems all over. I think it gave it a nice, more glam touch because you know I am a glam girl. I love the bling. And I think it turned out very nice. Just using items from the Dollar Tree. And with our box, I changed around the box. I didn't bother use the gems I had going up and down. I took it off. I think it has a nicer, cleaner look with the box just being clear. Because our trees really glammed out a bit. So I think our box shouldn't be all that glammy. And it gives it a nicer effect. And I love how it turned out. And I love these snowflake gems from Totally Dazzled. They're so super cute. And here we go. I have it here on top of my stand here next to my TV showing the fireplace. And I think it looks very nice. And you can place it anywhere throughout your home. I placed it here and I think it looks very nice. And if you can see, I added some tea lights to it. The LED lights from the Dollar Tree. And I think it gives that extra glam look. It looks very nice. And I paired it up with some more items from the Dollar Tree. Some more of my DIYs. And here's how it looks with the lights out. I think it looks nice and cozy. And paired with the fireplace, oh, it looks absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, whether you want this Christmas tree to be like a centerpiece on a table, that looks very nice too, or if you want to put it as a decor item anywhere throughout your home, I think it looks absolutely beautiful. So what I'd like you to do is leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our glam Christmas tree, centerpiece, or Christmas decor, whichever you'd like to call it. Give me a comment and tell me what you think about it. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I have to share with you. And don't forget to press the bell, so you'll be notified whenever I do that. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.